All right, guys. A lot of people ask me about how to make graphic design and if I'm a designer and use Photoshop or however I come up with my images and post for social media or little logos I create for business or images I need for ads or any kind of creative idea I come up with. I am not a designer. I don't know how to use Photoshop. I used to use Photoshop like back in the day in the early 2000s, but I fell off. So I found another tool, and I'm kind of going to show you guys my process as I go through it. So first thing I do is I go to canva.com. That is the tool that I use. And then I want to create a design. And then I think about like what I'm going to use it for, right? And so they have a lot of templates in here. So I might do Instagram post, and it gives you a blank template. Now, the first part you have to do is figuring out like kind of what your idea is. So for me, I got this idea that I use all the time. It's called turning problems into petroleum, basically letting people know that you need to take your problems and fuel your future. And so when I always thought about my life and I thought about that quote, I always think of like a rocket ship, like it's fueling my future and it's blasting me into outer space. And every time somebody gives me a problem, I turn it into a solution, right? So the first thing I do is I come in here and I'm gonna look for a background image. And I want something that kind of like jumps off the screen. So I'm gonna come over here to photos, rocket. You see I already got one. So I'll look through, but I like that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it, put it on the screen. Now it doesn't fit. So what I'm gonna do is line it up, stretch it out, stretch it out a little bit more. And then I might lower it a little bit or something like that. Maybe I'll raise it a little bit. You know what I mean? Give you that kind of effect. All right, cool. Kind of like that. It's a real bright image. It'll draw people's attention. The next thing you need is some kind of text. So this is problems driving petroleum. So another thing I might do is problems in the world or problems in life. And then I start thinking stuff like, okay, cool. Career pressure, emptiness and boredom, health, financial. No one hate. Ice cream melting. No, I don't want to do that. Yeah, so let me go with some of these. Financial crisis, health crisis, relationship, marriage, family. Right. All right, cool. So then I'm going to go back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a text, and then I'm going to make this bigger so it kind of stands out a little bit. And I'm going to say financial stress. Right. And then I'm going to angle it, make it look cool. Boom. And then I want to figure out like what style text I want. And so I will try different ones to kind of see what it looks like. No, that could maybe work. Cardo, no. I'm looking for something that kind of stands out, kind of uh, bright. No. Let's see. I already used this one, bangers. Okay. That one looks kind of cool. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. Financial stress. All right, cool. So now I need to make it look better. So maybe I'm going to try some different colors. So I'll try white. Nope, can't see that. Brown. Maybe that looks okay. Orange. Orange could work. Then you can add layers to this if you want to, or you can come to effects, which I like to do effects first. And I click shadow. And then I just try different things, right? No, I don't like that. Lift. No, I use hollow a lot. That one looks kind of fire. Yeah, I think I'm going to use hollow. And so now I can change this to white. Go to effects. Neon, no, hollow. No, I like orange. The orange still looks the best. Yeah, perfect. And then no, let's try neon. That's the one right there. That's the one right there. All right, so then I shrink this down a little bit. All right, and maybe make it stand out a little more. So like I copy and paste, I got 2 levels, right? And then I put them on top of each other. Yeah, that makes it stand out nice and bright. So then I'll group these together, copy, paste, and then I might say something like ungroup. This might be the relationships. All right, something like that. And then I'll do copy, paste on top of each other. And then I might, let's see, turn a little bit. Maybe have it like that. Right. And then I might take this, copy and paste, make another one. And this one might be health issues. Copy, paste on top, group together. Bam, bam. Right. And then if you can imagine, right, adding more to it, different ideas, different strategies, boom, until, so kind of build that out, looks super cool, download, PNG, blah, blah, blah. You end up with the one I finished earlier, which was this right here. And then I added my logo down here at the bottom, and bam, now you got a post.